I personally like to ask the question from second term. Okay, mainly from second term. Mainly. First term only from these three chapters, you will be asked some questions. Autopsy, injury, and aspiration. Now, আমরা একটা short discussion যাই about our toxicology board for second term. All the specimen will not be given for exam. This will not be given to you. It is a cattle poison, aspiratorial, just for identification. But it will not be present on Viva board. So, snake, do you like this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, you like it? Sab kuch hoise aur mone sare di baat karo deita de kore di এই জন্য দিদি হ্যাঁ আরো ভালো ভিডিও করে দেন কারিমা ঢাকার মেয়ে ভয় পায় ওই জন্য তো ভয় পাওয়ার কথা বেশি just for identification mainly. No, there is no, I don't know, there is any scientific way to demonstrate snake. How to hold the head, how to hold the tail, I don't know. But this will be given to your court just to identify the, to say the criteria about poisonous snake and non-poisonous snake. For that different points, you may have to identify that this is snake. At least you should identify that this is snake. Poisonous or non-poisonous does not matter. Don't tell it as a rope. That will be considered as what? If anyone say this is a rope, then what will be the interpretation? That you are suffering from illusion. Okay? At first, organ phosphorus. As a right-handed person, will always hold the bottle with right hand and keep it on your left palm. This is the ideal way. Put it on your left palm and hold it the bottle with the right hand. Now you will describe what you are just observing. What you are seeing, you will describe it as a slide. This is a small opaque plastic jar. It is not transparent. And to keep the organ phosphorus compound in opaque plastic jar, there is a special indication. And as on exposure to light, the chemical structure may be changed. Toxicity may be changed. That's why you must say that this is a small opaque plastic jar with a stopper containing liquid substance. I can say this oily or water. You better say liquid substance. As you shake it, the liquid fillings. With that, just pretend you are taking a smell, but don't inhale or inspire forcefully. Just pretend that you are taking a smell. I tell you with the characteristics, kerosene-like smell. Kerosene-like smell. Or aromatic hydrocarbon, aliphatic or aromatic? Aliphatic. Aliphatic hydrocarbon-like smell. Okay, this is also right. If you say aliphatic hydrocarbon-like smell or kerosene-like smell. So this is organophosphorus compound. First you should mention the properties, then you will tell the substance. First you will say that the opaque small plastic jar with a stopper containing liquid substance with characteristics kerosene-like smell. This is organophosphorus compound. Okay. Why it is opaque bottle? Because on exposure to light, it changes its chemical property. Now we will ask the next question, the classification of organophosphorus compound. Why is kerosene-like smell? Actual organophosphorus does no smell or as with solvent, we use this aliphatic hydrocarbon. That's why it takes such order. Okay. Then we will ask the next question: the harmful reaction, sign symptoms, antidote, precautions before spraying the organophosphorus compound in the field, sorts of things. Then stupefying agent. The small glass jar with the stopper containing spherical fruits with spiky projection, the outer surface, or thorn-like projection, the outer surface, and dark brown kidney-shaped seeds. This contains all fruits and seeds also. This is datura fruit with seeds. This specimen is containing datura fruits with seeds. Okay, there is another specimen. This is only datura fruit, no seeds. If you hold it, you will tell it like that. The small glass jar with a stopper containing spherical fruits with spiky projections, or thorn-like projection on outer surface. This is datura fruits, only fruits. As I am not seeing any seeds, you should mention only that this is fruits. But this is fruits with seeds. Then you will ask that how many seeds in a fruit, single fruit, stupefying dose, lethal dose. Why it is administered in cast form, why not in intact seed? And this is only datura seeds. Small plastic jar with a stopper containing kidney-shaped dark brown seeds. This is its order. So this is datura seeds. It will not be given to you. And if an examiner asks you to demonstrate this, small glass jar with a stopper containing very light, yellowish circular seeds with a characteristics pungent order. So this is capsicum seeds, pungent order. This is orderless. This is capsicum. That you may be asked about the difference between capsicum seeds and datura seeds. You know important. This is a small glass jar with a stopper containing dried leaves, fruits and flower stalks. This is cannabis in the form of gaja. You know, cannabis consumption comes cannabis in four forms: bhang, majan, gaja, production business. This is in the form of gaja. Small plastic jar with a stopper containing dried leaves, fruits and flower stalks. This is cannabis in the form of gaja. Then you have to know the different forms, other forms. We take the cannabis. School friend agent. Then. Corrosive? Irritant. Mithupal mentioned na. Mithupal to mentioned na. Mithupal বলছিলাম $1 million donate করতে আমাদের। অত অনেক $1 million আছে। Do you know one of your best friends got married in the first term written exam? Mithupal, her name is Mithupal. And I asked her to donate some $1 million. You know the red red Hindu married women use in their shitiri ki bole. Shidur sunja kata deয় কি বলে? Middle portion of the skull shidur. Now we don't have red leaf or $1 million, so I asked her to donate some $1 million. As this was donated by Joyasri, your best mate. She's donated it. She collected it from forest. Bush. Police করে লজ্জিত করো। কি স্যার? ওই হিন্দু না মুসলমান? রাইট? ও তো বিয়ে হয় না কামা করে। বলা যায় না, আপনি আসলে যদি এর অফার কিন্তু রাখতে দাও, কথা দিলাম, রাখতে দাও, পরে দিব না। তাহলে থাকতে পারে। জুনিয়রদের জন্য তোমাদের পরীক্ষার আগে দিয়ে দাও। পরীক্ষার সময় অ্যাডভান্টেজ পাবা, এক্সটার্নালি বলবো স্যার এটা দিচ্ছে। আচ্ছা, this small glass jar with the stopper containing powder-like white powder-like substance on shaking produces metallic grating sound. Though I am not getting any sound. Maybe salt. I don't know. Oh, whatever it is. You explain it as a you are getting metallic grating sound. So this is arsenic. So then you are to ask about what are the different forms of arsenic. poisonous, non-poisonous form. If Monisha or Glucopol donate us the vermilion or red lead tetroxide, then you will demonstrate a small glass jar with a stopper containing red powder-like substance. Orderless. So this is vermilion or red lead and red tetroxide.
Sir, commercially sir order দিতেই পারে স্যার। জি স্যার।
Oh, তাহলে বলবা for commercial purpose some order is added to the vermilion. কি স্মেল দেয়?
অ্যারোমেটিক।
তাছাড়া বললো বন্ধ নেয় না একবারও। আচ্ছা, তারপর গ্যাস মোহর না কেরোসিন সিরিয়ালি কোনটা? কেরোসিন। আচ্ছা, both are kerosene. Okay, but in the exam you will be given this sample. Actually, this is natural kerosene, colorless. Actually, this is colorless. As in market now, commercially, it is not found. It's not available in market. Blue color is added to the kerosene to prevent adulteration with gasoline, like petrol, diesel, octane. This is the daam badche. So small glass jar with a stopper containing, this is oily, watery, this is water. If you agitate it, it will shake or it will produce more agitation than this. And when it comes down along the wall of the jar, actually watery, run down slowly, but oily, it will rapidly fall down along the wall of the jar. You will tell it as an oily liquid with the characteristics, pretend that you are taking the smell, kerosene smell. This is kerosene-like smell. And this is, actually as this kerosene, you will get a kerosene smell. So this is kerosene oil. You must complete the sentence, kerosene oil. Okay. Then why it is blue color? It will be actual color, colorless. Source, rock oil, submersible petroleum, and we get it from fractional distillation. And you must know some other derivatives of petroleum by fractional distillation. Lethal dose, and for children you can say the lethal dose 5 to 20 as a range, 20 ml. In the book will be ready only adult dose is given, though incidence rate is more in children. That's why we may ask to tell the lethal dose for child. Then some symptom will look with stomach wash or not. Volatile, relative for dedication, stomach wash. If we have any facilities about endotracheal intubation, then we can give stomach wash. It will prevent aspiration pneumonia or pneumonitis. Now, corrosive. This is also kerosene smell, but it is not bluish color, it's colorless. আমরা এটা পরীক্ষা দিব না। এটা পার। এটারে মাঝামাঝি রাখি, দিতেও পারি নাও দিতে পারি। এটা পার, এটা দিব, এটা মাঝামাঝি, বড় না। ঠিক আছে, আমরা বলি তুই ভয় পাও না। আচ্ছা। Now, corrosive. Small glass jar with a stopper containing heavy, relatively heavy, oily liquid, and it is odorless. Light brown, you can tell the color. Light brown, heavy, oily liquid, and it is odorless. This is sulfuric. Sulfuric. This is also small glass jar with a stopper containing dark brown. It's not black. So it is dark brown, oily liquid with characteristics phenolic smell. That is carbolic acid. Okay? Phenolic smell. That is this carbolic acid. Actually, form it a white crystal, prismatic crystal with phenolic smell. Due to impurities, it becomes dark brown oily. Now, commercial use of this, and will you give stomach wash or not? Why we can give stomach wash for some questions. Corrosive substance থেকে আমরা মূলত দুইটা স্পেসিফিক দিব, সালফিউরিক অ্যাসিড, কার্বনিক অ্যাসিড, both are important. Alcohol, small glass or stopper containing colorless, watery liquid with characteristics spiritus smell. That's why we are telling it alcohol. Okay. Now you must know the different combination of different percentage of alcohol in different beverages. Okay. And there is a common question that naturally highest concentration of alcohol. What is the highest concentration? That is about 12%, I guess. Naturally, 12% এর বেশি concentration কখনো হয় না। কেন? Artificially, আমরা 99.9% alcohol, pure alcohol আমরা can make. But naturally, why bacterial yeast only produces 12% alcohol, not more than that? Naturally, why? জোরে বলেন। এই পুরো 2 মাস কি থাকেই ছিলেন? আইটেম দিছে আব্দুল্লাহ স্যারের কাছে আইটেম ক্লিয়ার করছে? আরো বাকি আছে, আমারে আর পাবেন না। জি না, আচ্ছা। Naturally, why only the highest concentration of alcohol is 12%? Because as the yeast or bacteria is kept on the carbohydrate, as it ferments and spreads circularly, the central portion of the bacteria or yeast don't get any food, nutrition. Only the peripheral bacteria will get the carbohydrate or resource. That's why they undergo binary fusion and produces alcohol, but centrally bacteria dies without any nutrition. That's why naturally highest percentage is 12% only. By distillation, we can increase the concentration of alcohol up to 99.9% methyl alcohol. Another question is, which form of alcohol is toxic? Methyl alcohol or ethyl alcohol? Methyl alcohol. Why? As it metabolites in the liver and produces formic acid. Formic acid is neurotoxic. People sometimes got blind if they took little amount of methyl alcohol. And sometimes methyl alcohol is adulterated with ethyl alcohol. You have heard some year and 1 and 2 years before in media that some people in our Bangladesh due to alcohol toxicity they died due to methyl alcohol, as it is available commercially for varnish purpose. Wood varnish হিসেবে methyl alcohol use করা, the solvent. So alcohol শেষ. It will not be given to your exam, but this is posodana, ripe seeds of opium fruit. Posodana or khaskhas. It is added to our different foods for flavor, and it is non-poisonous. Seeds are not poisonous. Okay. Yes. Oh, sorry. This is a Rubbermaid flexible blunt tube with a funnel, hand pump, and mouth gag, and a cardiac end of the tube, or stomach end of the cardiac part of the stomach. This is called stomach wash tube, or Wall's tube, or Ewell's tube. On the numbers on the funnel. The parts below the funnel connecting to the blue signal. It's a killer case. Funnel end of the tube, suction valve or hand pump, then another connecting tube, and it has a stomach end. And the mouth gag must be attached to the stomach end part of the tube. And this is mouth gag. It may be made up of wood or plastic. One part pointed, another is blunt. It is used to apart the mouth, opening the mouth. pointed part is pushed at the angle of the mouth so that the lips become apart, and it is kept in between two jaws, upper and lower. Patient will bite that. There is a ridge between the central portion, central part of the mouth cave, so that the mouth will get open always. And then the stomach end is introduced between the central hole. So it will be really easily introducible into the stomach or the esophagus. And this the function of the mouth gag is to prevent tube bite, tongue bite of the patient and finger bite. And also to open the mouth, keep the mouth open always. This is the function of mouth gag. Another question is how you will recognize the stomach end of the tube. It has two openings, central opening and a lateral opening. For advantage of suction. If one opening is closed, then upper opening will help in suction of the stomach content. So, and it has a valve, hand valve, that means it has a one-way function. It will suck the content of the stomach to the outer surface, outer end. This is funnel. And funnel is kept above the position of the patient, and the stomach wash fluid, that is maybe clean water or potassium permanganate mixed water, will be given up 200 to 300 ml, not a machine. See? At a time? 200 to 300 ml at a time. If this poured here and due to gravitational force, it will enter into the stomach. Then we will keep it downwards and pump the hand pump so that the stomach will wash out. How many times we will give this until clear fluid or odorless fluid come to the funnel. Okay. Up to that, we will repeat this process again and again. Then how you will understand that it has entered into the stomach. If the patient goes on continuous coughing, that means it has entered into the trachea. Or the funnel end we put into a bucket full of water, this continuous bubble comes, then it is into the respiratory tract. A few bubbles, then no bubble, that means it will enter into the stomach. Another is opening the funnel. We take a 50 cc syringe and take air about 50 cc. Then we will place our stethoscope with the gastric region and pump the air into the stomach. If we get sound into the gastric region, that means it has entered into the stomach. If no sound, that means it has entered into the respiratory tract. These are the different methods to confirm about the stomach end. Now that is the indication. In main indication is to eliminate the unabsorbed poison of the upper GI. Unabsorbed poison. For lower GIT, unabsorbed poison, we use laxative or purgatives. And absorbed poison, we use different other methods like dialysis, diaphoresis. Now, what are the upper GIT? Stomach. Purgatives or laxatives. Anyway, loose stool ability. Purgative laxative, but frequent loose stool আছে যার absorption ট্রান্সফর্ম হবে এটা এলিমিনেট হয়ে যাবে স্টুলের মাধ্যমে এলিমিনেট হবে আচ্ছা now the complication of stomach wash introduction of stomach wash, that is it will irritate the trachea, pulse হতে যেতে পারে, cardiac arrhythmia হতে পারে, যার cardiac problem আছে, perforation হতে পারে, wrong indication, that is poison যদি produce করি perforation হতে পারে. আর contraindication, absolute contraindication, relative contraindication. Relative contraindication means with precaution we can give it, like endotracheal intubation or cardiac support. We can also give this stomach wash. Absolute means we will never use this. Akib, সমস্যা? Akib, সমস্যা? Okay, you can again come to the table, take the specimen. I will stay here for a few minutes. If any other questions, ask me.